What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about a very important security setting on your Samsung phone that you might not be aware of if you're someone who uses just a regular PIN for your security method in addition to your biometrics, because this is only available if you set a high security password. I think a lot of people are missing out on enabling this, so I'll show you what it's all about today. Before we get started, I do want to thank my 4-year-old son Jonathan for giving us the green and red T-Rex here in the background to hang out. He always gives us some cool toys for the video and we do appreciate it. Also, if you guys want to save some money on your wireless service, you can do so by switching to my friends and partners over at Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile has premium wireless starting at just $15 a month, and right now they have one of their best deals ever where you can get their unlimited premium wireless plan for just $15 a month. That is 50% off the usual cost. So in fact, with this new offer that they have, all of their plans, the 5 gig, 15 gig, 20 gig, and unlimited plan are all $15 a month. Again, the unlimited is the best price because that's 50% off the usual cost of the plan. All their plans come with unlimited talk and text, nationwide coverage, mobile hotspot included as well. The great thing about Mint is you can get it a physical SIM, or if you have a phone that supports it, like the S24 Ultra, get an eSIM here. You just pick your brand, like Samsung, scroll down and find it, for instance, S24 Ultra, and you can go ahead and get that SIM sent to you right away. The one thing that we love about Mint is we save a ton of money here. We've been using them for almost 2 years in Phoenix. Ton of money over the big wireless carriers. Still get amazing coverage here, which is absolutely fantastic. If you guys want to check it out and try Mint Mobile, go to trymintmobile.com/Springer. This is going to be a limited time offer. It's also in the pinned comment and description. Use my link, 50% off the unlimited plan. Absolutely amazing. We do appreciate Mint for being partners with the channel. All right, so let's talk a little bit about this feature. Now, when you hold down your power button or when you hold down the power and volume down, depending on how you have the side button set up, you see your menu here. Now, technically, if someone were to tap on your power off, they can tap this again, turn off your phone, and you would never know. So the unfortunate thing about this is it doesn't require your PIN, your password, anything in order to be able to shut off your phone. Even if you have this, see on the lock screen here, someone could go in, power this off, and it doesn't require any extra information to do that. So what if you don't want that to happen? You want people to have some sort of security, obviously, to get into that and shut off your phone. You don't want someone to shut off your phone without you knowing. What you can do is go into settings, scroll down to where you see lock screen and always on display. You'll see secure lock settings right there. And if you look inside secure lock settings, you'll notice that there's this option here. There's actually a hidden option here to allow a password to protect powering off your phone and changing all of your settings like Wi-Fi, etc. up in the quick toggles. So the way you need to do this is go back to screen lock type. Again, put in any password or PIN that you have already. Go to password, and then I'm going to type a password here. I'm going to use, let me just do Jeff SP17, Jeff SP17, and then I'll do Jeff SP17, and then hit OK. New password. And now you see the password is there. If I go back, I apologize, I went back one menu too deep there. Go to secure lock settings. Go ahead and enter your password now. And again, always a good idea to check. So enable this. What this will do now is now when you go back, you'll notice if I try to turn this off on the lock screen and I go to power off, you'll see here that it asks me to put my fingerprint or password in to turn off the phone. So this now requires that I have to put that in and then the phone will turn off. Now you'll notice that the lockdown option I added inside of the power menu also will allow you to turn off extend unlock, biometrics, and notifications on the lock screen. This is a great option if you really don't want anyone to be able to see any of your notifications. Tap on those. And then also the lock network and security will then make it so that people can't turn off the Wi-Fi or mobile data, which of course you don't want if someone were to take your phone, because the Samsung Find My network will use those things to help locate your phone more efficiently. So this is a great option. You do need to turn on the high security password inside screen lock type to get the full benefit of this option, as I said. But once you do, as we saw, you'll need to have to put in your password in order to power off the phone. And also you can utilize the lockdown mode as well. Tap on that, and then it's not going to show any of those notifications on the home screen. Go back and put in your password to get back into the device. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a great security setting that you should be aware of. A lot of people who are just using the pen don't know too much about that. In any event, I appreciate you guys checking it out. Check out SammyGuru.com. Also, check out our partners and friends at Mint Mobile. Premium wireless starting at just $15 a month. Right now, the unlimited plan, 50% off. Try mintmobile.com/Springer to check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.